for my lovely ladies. I have these two testing kits. I am going to register them right now. First, you have to add a pet on their website, and then we're going to register each test according to them, and then I'm going to send it in. So I'm so excited. This is the comprehensive review to find out any health issues in their stomachs, basically any intestinal function, to make sure that they continue to be healthy. And I've been thinking about changing dog foods for a long time to a raw diet, but I just want to see, they've been on dry for a while, so I just want to see, like, is there any issues? Do they have any issues? These ear infections that doodles get, like, can they be helped, kind of thing. So let's check them out. The website's really easy. So I already added the pets, and then from your pet, now you enter your unique kit code. So I'm going to put that in right there. So instructions are pretty simple. Like, it comes with all this in this biohazard bag and a return shipping. And then it just says, like, go collect a fresh stool, poop bag is included and a glove, write your pet's name, all that stuff. Fill to the red line, blah, blah, blah. So we are going to go collect that now. All right, I got the sample right in there. It was super easy to collect. They provide all the materials for you. Put the biohazard in the biohazard bag, and then you slip it in here and put the mailing label on. Now, you do want to write your pet's name and the date that you collected and the time, and it's that easy. Now I'm just going to send it in and wait for results. So I did get an email when they were received, and then I logged in, and it shows me the report for each one of my dogs. So I can click on their reports, and now there is, like, you can get explanation, you can make sure that you know exactly what all these things mean. And so I was so thrilled. All of my dog's stuff is in the normal range, and so it does give you just a green normal range right here, and it tells you all about, like, why they test for this and why it's important, and if it's high or low. And so if your dog has any issues, now my dogs are, like, pretty healthy and I haven't noticed any issues at all. And so if your dog, though, has any issues, I would highly recommend this kit. It's just like getting test results from your doctor. It shows you where the normal range is. It shows you where low might be and where high might be. It's all color coded. And so it lets you know right away if something's out of whack. You can go to explanation of results, and it's going to show you, you click on the test that you ordered, and then it's going to show you exactly what each one means. So under the digestion and detox, which is the kit that we did, it shows you where the results are and why. And so it just shows low results are of concern. So this is what it is. Low levels can identify, blah, 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 blah. And so and then look at treatment options. If your results are normal, if your results are low, and it gives you exactly, like, what you need. Continue with current diet and lifestyle. So that lets me know the food I have them on right now is fantastic. So it says, consult a veterinary professional for further testing. Consider switching to a digestive care dog food that is lower in fat, easy to digest. Examples. Yep. So it really gives you some really good results going forward. I can't even say that word. For each one of these that it tests for, it shows you exactly what to do, when to consult your vet, and what's normal and what's not. So cool.